That's what you get when you're trying to mix different things to make your own. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is Tamara. You guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that you find this video inspiring and also hilarious. You guys, so my daughter got an invitation to go somewhere, and I'm taking her as well as my two sons, y'all. But I decided that I will not get out of my car until I have done my 5-minute makeup touch-up, you guys. So I hope that this inspires us, women who are always on the go. Most times we will jump in our car to drop our kids somewhere, and we just get out of the car looking all messed up, if you understand what I mean. So today I am just showing you how I do my 5-minute quick makeup touch-up just before I get out of my car to do my drop-offs or pickups, just in case. And also most times I do the same routine in the morning before I head into my office. It's just a 5-minute quick car touch-up just to make sure that you're on point somehow, your face, everything looks all uniform and everything, just before you step out your vehicle to interact with the rest of the world. So I hope that this video inspires you and you are able to take 5 minutes out of your time to just do a little quick get it together before you get out of your vehicle, y'all.
You let me build up my feelings, you shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier the fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier the fighting, but I know it's always at the agony. Stop for a second, breathe.
just along for the ride, guys. Just along for the ride. So I searched Starbucks for their 24 best iced drinks, and I found coconut ice latte and almond milk frappuccino. So I decided that I wanted coconut milk frappuccino, coconut milk ice frappuccino. So I actually made my own drink, to be honest. Because they have two separate things, which is the almond milk ice latte and the coconut the almond milk frappuccino, the almond milk ice latte and the coconut milk frappuccino. Is that what it is there, David? I can't get it right. The the coconut milk latte and the mocha frappuccino. So what I made was the coconut milk frappuccino, but this has ice, so it's coconut milk ice frappuccino. Guys, I'm just along for the ride. This is ridiculous, but it tastes really good. It tastes good. So this is a trademark drink. Trademark Tamara on the go coconut milk ice frappuccino. Try that when you go to Starbucks. Try that when you go to Starbucks the next time. Coconut milk ice frappuccino. That's what you get when you're trying to mix different things to make your own. It's really, really good. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you all in the next one.